Okay, welcome back to the layout, and we've got our LMS coronation class on today. We've got a maroon one, King George the Sixth, and we've got an unnamed one in blue livery. That's going to be pulling some Pullman coaches, and the maroon has got some maroon LMS coaches, and we've also got running our little G.W.R tank engine with a G.W.R third brake coach, I think it is. Just to sort of, I don't know, have a laugh, I found this record in my record collection. Don't know where it came from. Well, it came from W.H. Smith's originally for £2.65. So, um, yeah. So we're going to put that on. It's sound effects. So, Johnny, if you start, yeah. So you're going to be ready. Get ready with your controller. All right. You've got to wait until you hear the exhaust sound. All right. Yep. And then you can start the track. Start the red one. Yeah. That's the guard whistle. Wheelset. Oh well, there you go. So we'll have to see what it sounds like on the video, but yeah, okay. So thanks for watching. Hopefully the sound sounds good, and we'll be back for more videos soon. Thanks for watching again, and bye for now.